Welcome to our channel Life Insights. Now we are going to explore the place of passion in spiritual life. All the human beings are born with different talents. They are unique in themselves. Nobody is born without talents. But we find that people are becoming mediocre. Why it is so? Let us explore. Even the so-called talented people are also becoming corrupted. Those who are known as celebrities, they are also becoming corrupted. Those who are preaching about God also becoming corrupted. What they teach and what they do, there is no relation between these two at all. Why all these things are happening? Because in their life they don't have any passion. Now what is passion? Any action done with the whole heart, mind and the whole being. That action is called a passionate action. A passionate action counts to spirituality. A person who is passionate is inwardly finding his talents. But nowadays what happened? People are being told to become X or Y or something else. A passionate person does not respond to the outside stimulus. He listens only his inward being. When one is grounded in his own being, certainly something goodness will come. Nowadays we find that young people lose their confidence in religion. They are leaving the organized religions. Why it is happening so? Telling people to worship a particular God X and that God will deliver them from ignorances and that God will solve all their problems is simply belief system. That's why people don't follow all those organized religions and young people are not interested in them. Because of these, religions are not attracting the original people. What is the place of passion in religion? Passionate people turn themselves into original human beings. Those who do not have passion, they turn themselves into second-hand human beings. Spiritual life is for a passionate being. We must be passionate towards some aspect of life. It may be anything. Once we are involved with an avenue of life, it should be done with the whole heart, mind and the whole being. Then that action becomes the complete action. A passionate person involves his life with respect to truth. Truth is not a very big word. Truth is very simple. Truth is what our everyday life is. We can find truth in our own day-to-day life. How one should live. It is very simple. We can very easily find who a passionate person is. If a person becomes peaceful day by day, his actions will indicate that he has some glimpse of truth. By observing all these things, we can find a person is passionate or not. We can very easily find. A passionate person can never be corrupted. He will help others to lead their lives on the path of truth. Because we have told many times that truth is the thing that will deliver us from ignorance and will lead to light that is within us. That is very, very important. One day, a passionate person can become a compassionate person. The core of life is what compassion is. The basic principle of life is what compassion is. The highest form of spirituality is compassion. There is no difference between truth and compassion or love. These are the original things of life. Life represents compassion, silence, and so on. So, a passionate person is interested in all these avenues of life. He is interested in the core of life. The person who is passionate does always the good things to others. He will not become antisocial. But we find that the so-called talented people and the so-called religious people are involved themselves in antisocial activities. Hence, we can find very easily who is passionate and who is not passionate, who is after truth and who is not after truth. It can be found very easily. Even talking to others, we can find they have peace in their life or not. They are a silent being or not. Even by these outward things, we can find a person is passionate or not. Hence, passionate person is the original human being. All the others are second-hand human beings. What is needed is a passionate person. He can be a light unto himself. He is on the path of truth. That is the only reality of life. Once again, we will come up with another one video describing another one spiritual aspect of life.